All right, so this is another way to show how greenhouse gases absorb heat. And what we have is a figure down in the bottom left that has the spectrum of wavelengths coming into the atmosphere in the sun's radiation. So you can see that the visible light spectrum is what most of the sun's radiation is composed of. And it's that spectrum there from the purple over to the red. For those of you that have heard the term Roy G. Biv, that's exactly the spectrum that we're looking at, and that's in visible light. So once that visible light hits the Earth, it is transformed from a short wavelength to a much longer wavelength in the form of heat. After it is absorbed into the surface of the Earth, it is then emitted as heat on this much longer wavelength. Being that longer wavelength, these greenhouse gases are now able to absorb that heat as energy, and those greenhouse gases remain in the atmosphere. So the more greenhouse gases we have present in the atmosphere, the more heat emitted from Earth's surface is absorbed, and the higher the temperature in the atmosphere goes. So it would make sense then that if the level of greenhouse gases is rising, then the ambient temperature, the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere, is rising as well.